What's up, y'all? My name's Aviana and I produce lots of PWC content, meaning personal watercraft videos, whether it being product reviews, taking you on my adventures, riding away with me, just to travel different waters around the world. But today, I'm going to be going over a popular question I've been getting a lot lately, which is, how do I bring extra fuel on my PWCs? So what I'm going to try to show you is options for different brands from Seadoo, Yamaha, and Kawasaki. But first, let's go ahead and show the options for a Seadoo. So right here, I have the Link Fuel Caddy. This is a Seadoo brand, and if you know Seadoos, they have link mounts on the decks. So this is a 3.8 Fuel Caddy, and they recently came out with a 5.3 Fuel Caddy. The only difference is you can't stack anything on the 5.3. Hold on, let me go get it real quick. Ta-da! And I've been waiting for this because as much as I ride, this Fuel Caddy was not enough fuel for me. So when they brought out the 5.3, you know I had to order several of them. So all you have to do is just link it here, put it in there, make sure it's hooked on right over here, and lock it in place. So you have this option where you can bring one Fuel Caddy and mount it to the link system, which is already included in majority of the newer Seadoos. So you don't have to buy anything extra, just buy the Fuel Caddy. But the only part is you can only bring one Fuel Caddy. So that's only 5.3 gallons. So estimate how fast you're going. I only get about 20, 25 miles extra with this. All right, so you know how I was just talking about that I can only bring one Fuel Caddy and it only gets me like 20, 25 extra miles? Well, Seadoo came out with a new accessory, which is the Multicargo Rack. Now, you see this bad boy right here? This sits on the deck. You just put it right here and put it there, secure them right here, and bam, all together. Now, there are some hoses that come with it, but for this model, the 2019 GTX, I don't have to install any hoses. Let me show you how much Fuel Caddies I can bring on this. So I got one, two, and three. And if you're wondering why this seat is up, it's because you can't put the rack down with the seat being on, but you can put the seat back on once you have the rack on. I could run 3 Fuel Caddies with this multi-cargo rack. This rack can configure different ways. And this weekend when I was in Louisiana, on the way up there, I ran with the 5.3s on each side, plus a link cooler in the middle. But I think I should have ran 3 Fuel Caddies. What do y'all think? Comment down below. Would you put 3 Fuel Caddies or would you put 2 Fuel Caddies and a cooler? Let's see what type of rider you are. Now, let's go over here. This is the PWC Super Rack. This rack you have to buy aftermarket, and the website will be down below. Basically, all of the products that I'm going to be talking about today will be down below in the video description with the links. But you have to buy this aftermarket, and you have to buy the Fuel Caddies also. These are SureCan Fuel Caddies. If you've been watching my videos, you know I use these quite a bit. And the reason why I use them is because they're very snug in the PWC Super Rack. It doesn't like just move around, and they're spill free. They're super easy to basically fill up while you're on the water. Look, just check out this video where I'm filling up on the water, or we're just doing this stuff. And we just had to use a bunch of these in this last trip that I did in Louisiana, where we did 300 plus miles. So we had to go to gas stations and fill it up and everything. The PWC Super Rack has different options. You can get a single rack, a double rack, or even a triple rack, where you can put a cooler in the middle, or you need to bring extra fuel. Me, I probably am gonna bring extra fuel because I like to go wide open. And when you're riding fast, that fuel burns pretty fast. But it's all about the smiles. So if you own a Yamaha or a Kawasaki or even a Honda, you can get a PWC Super Rack that's specifically made for your model, and it will fit. They'll give you the hardware, whatever it's included that you need, and you too can also bring extra fuel on the water. All right, y'all, so that was a safe, quick, and easy way for you guys to bring extra fuel. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment it down below. And don't forget, the links for these products will be down in the video description. And if you're not subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button with the bell next to it so it'll alert you the next time I upload a video, because you don't want to miss the next video. And if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up because it really helps out the channel. But until next time, see you guys on the water.